In this video, I'm going to show you how to record mileage. Firstly, to record mileage, if you go to the supplier module on the left hand side, I'm going to set myself up as a supplier. So I'm just going to hit the create button on the top right hand side, and then I'm just going to type in my name. It will create a code for me, and then I'm going to create myself as a supplier. Secondly, I'm going to go to the purchases module on the left hand side of the screen. What we need to do in here is we need to set up a code to track our mileage. To do that, just click on Purchase Codes at the top of the screen. Once we've done that, all we need to do is type in a new code. So mine's going to be 5002, and I'm just going to call this code mileage and add in that as a purchase code. And we can now see that that's listed on here. Once I click into that code, I'm just going to go underneath it and we're just going to add two new products to this. So I'm going to add my first product, which is going to be mileage, but this is going to be under 10,000. And if I just click on the pre-fill rate and description, I'm just going to put the price in here at 0.45p, and then the VAT rate is NA, and then description, I'm just going to put mileage under 10,000, and then update. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go and add another product. So this is going to be mileage over 10,000, and we're going to pre-fill the rate again, and the price for this is going to be 25p. Again, VAT rate is NA, and then the description is going to be mileage over 10,000, and then update. All you need to do once you've done that is if you just go back into the supplier module, click into the account we just created. Now under other information and settings, we can now choose our default code in here. So our default purchase code is going to be 5002 mileage, and I'm just going to click update. Now every time I want to record mileage, all I need to do is just click on purchases on the left hand side, just hit create at the top of the screen, and then all you're going to do is choose yourself, so the supplier record you just set up, and every time we add a line item it's going to default to mileage, and we just need to choose the product whether it's under or over 10,000. So at the moment it's under 10,000, so it pre-fills the description that we typed in, and it's pre-filled the rate at 45, and then in the quantity field you just put the amount of miles that you did and it will calculate that. So if I just save that, that's now been saved. So to track that, then that's 135 miles. Just to add new ones in, so I can copy that across if I want to create a new one, and we're going to copy that across to a new purchase. And then I'm just going to add in another transaction in here, so I'm going to say 9,700 miles, and then save. So various ways to track that. If I go to the supplier module now on the left hand side and go into Alex, I'm going to go into my own record in here. If I go to purchase and stats, I can see those two purchases there, and we can see the total billed is 4,500. So I know within the system that I've actually hit my 10,000 limit, because 10,000 times 45p is 4,500. So that means the next purchase I need to create when I'm recording my mileage is going to have to be the over 10,000. So if I go back into purchases, add a line again, and we're just going to go and choose over 10,000, and then we can just start recording that, and it's going to record at 25p. And you'll be able to track your mileage, because how much is owed, because you'll see the balance by supplier. So every time you click on the supplier and see your value, then that's going to be what's on there. And if you drill into your record and go to purchase and stats, you can see all of your mileage claims, and the values of those and the status as well, and you'll see the total, which will just accrue. And that's how easy it is to track mileage using the software.